I've seen the horrors you speak of. Horror and true moral terror. Hey guys, it's Q. Back with you. Hold and modify, YouTube's most underproduced, poorly produced Amiga channel, and oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Aha. So that little intro tease, yes indeed. A power converter to use an ATX power supply with the 3000. Because mine, over there, is probably junk. That's the hope. We think it has enough power to get the fan spinning on this 3000 and make the floppy disk go tank and make the boot thingy go boot, but it just does not continue to power the full computer. So what I'm about to do is, after plugging this whole rat's nest in, which I didn't show you because it really isn't that exciting, it's just plugging wires in, I'm going to plug the final wire in and turn it on and see if we get a boot. And if we get a boot, then this video becomes something even more exciting. Let's get at it. Okay, we've got wires all plugged in. I know this looks scary, but nothing's touching something that's not supposed to be touching something. So when I flick this little switch, just like the 3000, it should turn on. And the light down there should be green for a little bit, and then it should turn red, and then it boots. So the floppy drive made its click, like it did with the stock 3000 power supply. The ATX fan is spinning. The 40mm fan is spinning. The light is green. But alas, it is staying green. It is not turning red or orange, whatever you want to color classify it. So what does that mean? That means that the power supply on the 3000 is probably okay. Yeah, it's probably fine. It means, and I did test this, by the way. This is putting out the proper voltages, so I know this is a good ATX power supply. It's a Seasonic, by the way. I think a 400 watt unit. Used, of course, but yeah, it checked out. It was fine. So, unfortunately, this may mean what I was suspecting, is that, unfortunately, my re-Amiga 3000 motherboard is just not... it didn't survive rendering in Lightwave. The last thing I did on this was that big overnight Lightwave render job, and it got maybe like 1/4 through it, and then it froze up, and then it's never been able to turn back on since. And I have removed the Phase 5 060 out of here just to make sure that wasn't the problem, and it's the same exact thing. It just turns on, fan spin, green light. Doesn't go orange or red. I've pushed on all the chips. I've done some sniffing. I don't see anything obvious. It just seems to have given up the ghost, maybe. I don't know. I'll probably message John. I mean, ultimately, I know what this may mean. It may mean me having to package this entire board up again and send it to him to see what maybe happened with it. I'm not highly motivated to do that because I know it takes a long time to get stuff over there and get it back. He's a very, very, very busy man. I'm going to try a couple other things before I completely give up on this 3000. But, I mean, that was a big one. You know, making sure the power supply was okay. And it is, and it's still not working. So, I'm going to give everything a reseat again and try again. And I am back again, and yeah, folks, it is just, it's just dead. I'm only getting the green tally light down there, not the red one as well. I've pushed on chips, I've unseated the daughter card, and pushed on things, and reseated it, and it just does not finish doing whatever the Amiga version of a post is. Like posting. That's a bummer. Well, I guess that will conclude the A3000 adventure for now. If you look on my playlist, you guys will see, of course, I have my pretty long Amiga 3000 series, all of the ups and downs from when I first started, and had some successes, and I was really, really looking forward to getting this fired up so I could do a comparison with other products, other accelerators, you know, in a big kind of like head-to-head to head-to-head type thing. But I'm just going to have to exclude this for now. I really do want to get a big box Amiga. I mean, it's going to have to be a 3000 or 4000 to use this Phase 5 060 in so that I can pit an original 060 against all the new stuff that's out. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Maybe I can... I don't know. I'll have to see what I can do about that. Maybe I'll win the lottery, and then I'll find an Amiga 4000 or 3000 that's known to work. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to win the lottery. All right. Well, thank you for watching.